Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. In today's video, I'm going to use the Everything Festive stamp set to create a really cute and very special Halloween treat container idea. So Halloween is coming soon, and I'm thinking that you might have some special children in your neighborhood and you would like to give them something just a little bit different and something really nice to honor your friendship with them. I'm going to use the craft pillow boxes. You get 10 pillow boxes in a pack, and when they come out of the pack, what you need to do is just score them. The score lines are already on here, but you just need to bend in the tabs like so. This doesn't require any adhesive at all. It's all put together. You just crease it with your fingers and then fold it in, and you have this really cute pillow box. Now you can decide what you want to put inside your pillow box. You can put some sweet treats, you can put a little gift idea, and I'm going to show you how to decorate it, or at least how I would decorate it. I've got the No Tricks, Just Treats stamp from the Everything Festive stamp set. I'm going to ink it up with my Memento ink, stamp it down, and this is on Whisper White. And then I have one of my layering ovals framelits, so I'm going to die cut it out using my die cutting machine. So I've got my phrase on here like this, and then I have a scrap piece of pumpkin pie cardstock, and I'm going to use the scalloped oval that's just a little bit larger than the plain oval. Trying to make sure I can run it through at the same time. Not sure it's gonna work. Let's give it a try. Okay, and hold it in place, run it through, and let's see what happens. So there's my phrase, there's my oval. Yep, worked like a charm. All right, so I'm going to use my snail adhesive, and I'm going to adhere these two together, and this is going to be the little greeting on the front of my pillow box. Now, to decorate my pillow box, I have a fun piece of the Monster Bash Designer Series paper. Love this paper pack. So what I did was I cut a piece that is eventually going to go around my pillow box, and you can see that the paper's not quite wide enough or long enough because it's a 6x6 piece, but don't worry about that. I'll show you what you can do. I put a piece of tear and tape adhesive on either end of this paper strip, and I'll just peel off the backing. And what I will do is start this about the halfway mark and bring it around and stretch it as close as I can, like that. And then when I put on my phrase, nobody will know that it doesn't quite fit perfectly. Now, to put my phrase on, I think what I'm going to use is a couple more pieces of the tear and tape, because this is going to be a well-traveled little pillow box. So I want all the elements to stay put on there. Note to self, don't cut your fingernails before doing a video. Okay, peel off the backing. Hopefully peel off this backing, yes. Well, this is a first for me. As I was taping this video, I got a FaceTime call from a relative overseas, and I tried to reject the FaceTime call and it shut off the video. And I didn't know that, and I thought I was still videoing. So I will finish this off very quickly. Here is what it looks like with the phrase. And then we have this beautiful little ribbon, and because I think this is very plain looking, What I'm going to do is add a couple of mini glue dots to the back of this ribbon, and I'm going to add it to the bottom of my pillow box like so. Now you could add some other embellishments, perhaps another corresponding strip of contrasting Monster Bash paper. You could add some little, sparkly elements to this. I'm going to leave mine very plain. It's for a very special little neighbor who lives down the street, and I know that this little person really won't care how this is decorated. They'll be more interested in what's inside the pillow box. For a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurement for the cardstock layers, head on over to my blog, www.nutsaboutstamping.com. While you're on my blog, consider subscribing to my free newsletters. I have a special series coming out right now. It's called the 12 Weeks of Christmas, and I'm sharing exclusive Christmas card ideas, gift ideas, bags and tags, and other little tips and tricks for Christmas. And you won't see these projects anywhere else, so I invite you to subscribe to my free newsletters and tell your crafty friends as well. They're welcome to join. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you'll create something fun for Halloween today too. Bye for now.